Donnie Pangilinan at Bel Mariano, nakilala bilang Don Bel, ay magpapakilig sa asap natin to sa Los Angeles. Sila ay magiging bahagi ng show, at ang mga fans ay makakapanood ng kanilang performance sa Agosto 3 at on their way na nga sina Donnie at Bel. Shared sa kanilang Instagram stories. Ingat Donnie at Bel at enjoy.
I'm very excited. The previous ASAPs we went to were very fun and memorable. To be part of something that's been going on for so long, to be part of the roster with Tito Gary, Valenciano, and Tito Martin Nievera, who have been in the industry for a long time, it's always a fun time. For us to have a chance to, as we say, bring home back to them and give them a glimpse of how the Philippines is and what they miss. It's really a great feeling.
I am happy for the opportunity to be gathered there with amazing and talented artists. I'm very excited to see all of our Kapamillas there. It's been a while since I saw you. Almost 2 years ago. I just can't wait. Of course, to tour around LA.